Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the full guide about the Yardi Voyager Bank Reconciliations. So bank reconciliations, the bank recs are critical for businesses to ensure that books are balanced and any discrepancies are caught and addressed quickly. Yardi Voyager is a powerful tool, and with its bank reconciliation feature is invaluable. So it is able to match up to most transactions and flags any reconciliation issues for transaction it can't match. Doing bank recs outside of Yardi does not catch internal control or theft issues. So using Yardi Voyager is essential. So although Voyager is a powerful tool, in order for it to be truly effective, you need to make sure your company is following bank reconciliation best practices like the ones listed here in this section. So complete your bank reconciliations monthly to catch fraud early and ensure cash flow is correct. So if your accounting team is overwhelmed, getting around to bank recs on a monthly basis can be challenging or challenge. However, falling behind can cost more time and money in the long run. Bank recs asks the organization to identify fraud such as the same check being cashed more than once. Completing conciliation monthly means you can defeat fraud quicker and resolve the issue in timely manner. Banks often have a time limit for refunding fraudulent transactions, often 3 months. So if that window is missed, it means having to take expensive legal action. Now here is another thing that ensure financial confident on loans are made. So many companies that carry bank loans and third-party debt require specific financial measurements to be made each reporting cycle, such as maintaining a certain debt to equity ratio or maintaining a certain level of cash flow. Accurate cash numbers are critical for this calculation. Incorrect data can lead to lenders calling debt amounts early, which can cause great hardship on smaller and medium-sized businesses. Get your setup done sooner rather than later. So for that setup, you have to do is bank accounts for new properties, then electronic fund transfer. In order to EFTs to flow smoothly, you need the right documentation and the right information. Making sure that get everything right from the start can save a lot of time and headaches, such as sending incorrect EFT amount or sending an EFT in error. It can take up to 10 business days to correct such errors. Even though such errors are easily flexible, they can cause issues. They are more challenging to address. Closing the previous month. To set up a bank rec, you need to make sure that the last month is closed and that nobody posted a transaction after it was closed. So that's pretty much all thing about the bank reconciliations in Yardi Voyagers. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.